Hello, my name is Aayushi Jaiswal and I am from St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. I want to start by extending my gratitude to Decibels Lab for providing me with such a great opportunity. I had no clue what model-based design was. I just wanted this internship because I'm an electronics and telecommunications student and I wanted an internship with a more live, hands-on project work experience, which this internship certainly gave me. I can confidently say that I'm comfortable enough in the basics of model-based design to explore it further, and this is a result of the quality study material provided by Decibels Lab, which was very easy to follow and learn from. I built models like vehicle resistive forces, AC to DC converter, buck converter, boost converter, buck boost converter, inverter, and DC motors, and a combination of some of these as a part of the assignments given. I got to learn many new things from this internship. The course instructors were very active and helpful, and they cleared any doubts or difficulties I had. The other interns were also very helpful, and the overall community formed through this internship was great to be a part of. I will definitely recommend Decibels programs to my friends because they're a great learning experience and they're very industry oriented, which is rare to find. Furthermore, I would like to continue my exploration of model-based design by applying them in some of my subjects. Like I mentioned, I'm an electronics and telecommunications student, so they'll be very useful in some of my subjects, and also learn more from the resources available on the internet. Thank you.